show you how we make our chicken keto enchiladas. So anyways, I'm going to have Katie go ahead and first thing, obviously, that we're going to be using is chicken.
So we already have it cooked and shredded. I wasn't supposed to shred it. They wanted to shred it on camera, but I messed up and shredded it to get everything ready.
Hello, McFly.
I'm just trying to keep things moving for y'all because I don't want you to watch a boring, slow video.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is just go ahead and put this chicken in here.
Chicken in?
Go ahead and put that in. I'm just going to put a little bit of bacon grease into that.
A little bit of bacon grease. Am I putting these onions in here too?
You can go ahead and put the onions in.
So we have onions all diced up.
Yes.
Onions.
Yeah, and don't put a lot of onions in, guys, because they are actually, onions have carbs.
Yeah, they have carbs, so.
So we're just going to put a little bit of bacon grease in. We're going to go ahead and set this over here on the stove. And all we're going to do is simply brown it. Okay, guys, in order for this to speed up, just speed this up a little bit so we're not here cooking all night with you guys, go ahead and make sure you brown up that chicken with the onions, okay? But we're going to go ahead and add the leeks into this, and we're going to go ahead and let all this simmer down together. Now, you want the leeks to go in. First of all, cut your leeks up. Here, slide that over there a little bit, babe. But anyways, cut your leeks up however you wish to do them. I cut mine usually in half and then slice them down, make them about, I don't know, what do you say, about half-inch cuts on them, and then break them down, and then you want to put them in water so you can get the sand and stuff out. Okay, so go ahead and take your leeks and go ahead and place these. Go ahead and slide that back over here, babe, and drain the water out and put these in, and then we're going to go ahead and let these leeks simmer down. So go ahead, don't be afraid to put a lot in here.
Yeah, they'll cook down.
They cook down pretty good, actually.
Cook down quite a bit. We used how many? Were there 3 stalks?
We did 3 stalks, correct.
3 stalks of.
Yeah, and here's some big ones here, but I'll probably just throw those out to the side there. But make sure you don't scrape the bottom of your water bowl, because that's where all the dirt and sand has.
Your enchiladas will be a little bit crunchier than you would like.
You don't want that. So, but anyways, we're gonna go ahead and.
Yeah, looks like we should have used the bigger pot.
Yeah, they'll go down.
Okay.
So go ahead and we're going to put those in. We're going to sweat those down pretty good, along with the chicken browning up, and then we'll be right back. Okay. Okay. So we got this all sweated down a little bit. Look how much that sweated down.
Mm-hmm. But we also did move it into the bigger pan.
You weren't supposed to tell.
Oh, magic of the camera,
but it did.
I forgot.
But it did get
yeah.
sweated down quite a bit, and when you're doing that, because the moisture from the leeks is now going down to the bottom, so make sure you do take the lid off, and then go ahead and cook off the excess water. But now what we're going to do is I'm going to let Katie go ahead and pour half that can in, and I'm just going to show you guys right here. This is what we're using is green chili sauce. You can use red chili sauce if you want. I'm sorry, enchilada sauce. You can use the red if you want to, but we like the green. So we're going to go ahead and put that. You just put half of it in.
Yeah.
Save the other half, or if you want to, if you really like the enchilada sauce, you can go ahead and add a whole can into this, and then use the other can as we're going to put this thing together here. So we'll show you.
Now we're going to add our spices.
Yep. So what do we got?
Cumin.
Don't be afraid to put in the cumin. Come on, put it in there. That is what makes. Here, let me pull that.
Not going.
Let me pull that lid off of there.
Go, be careful. Oh,
yeah.
dear Lord, don't.
Anyway, I'm just telling you, you got to put in the cumin. That's what makes it flavorful. Okay, so you just gotta put it in.
Cilantro.
We're just using it. You can use real cilantro if you want. Have it sliced up and whatnot.
Garlic
But we're just going to put the rest of that in. That's all we have. We'll have to put cilantro on the list.
Cilantro on the list. Garlic powder is in.
Garlic powder is in. I'm going to set these back here now.
Chili powder.
Chili powder, not quite as much chili powder as what you do the cilantro.
pepper.
And guys, as you can tell, you flavor it to what you like. If you don't like a lot of the cilantro, don't put it, the cilantro, don't put in the cilantro. You know, just flavor it to the way you like.
Salt.
Okay?
Sea salt. We
Now,
use sea salt, pink sea salt.
Yeah, go ahead and stir
give it
that
a
up.
Nice mix here.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to get ready, and we got a glass Pyrex bowl here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this prepared. Now, I want to show you 2 different ways that you can actually do this. Hopefully this camera or one of these are picking up. But you can take zucchinis. We got 3 smaller zucchinis, and we sliced them on our, what do you call that thing? Mandolin. And we sliced them longwise so that you can layer them down.
Just like a lasagna.
Or, you can also just go ahead and slice them in like this in circles or whatnot, and just lay them down. So I did them both ways just to show you guys. It's going to taste the same, but here we go. We're going to go ahead and lay some of these down here, and we'll do it like this. How's that? Ha-ha.
Oh boy, OCD. That does not work with OCD.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does. Okay, guys, so now what we're going to do is you got that stirred up, put a little bit of that on there.
Put some on here.
Just a little bit, and we're going to spread it out.
Maybe 3 heaping.
3, 4.
4,
Yeah.
1 more.
Yeah. All right, so I'll grab that from you. So now we're going to spread this out. And
this is such a good, flavorful dish. We used to make it all the time, and we haven't made it in
quite a while.
long time now.
It's been a while since we actually
so we've been wanting to make it, and I said about making it today, and Dave's like, we're filming.
We're going to film it. Okay, so now what you can do is in between each layer is go ahead and add a little bit of cheese. Okay?
Obviously, we did wash our hands before we started all this. We have clean hands.
Oh.
You did, didn't you?
Yes.
I did. I watched him.
Okay, and then we're going to take a little bit of enchilada sauce and just pour it across. Not a whole lot, because this stuff will, like as the zucchini cooks down, it's going to put a lot of water in there as well. So now we're going to go ahead and do another layer.
Stir it up.
Okay, Katie, get ready to throw some of that stuff on here. And don't be afraid to, we're using a lot of the zucchini. We don't mind zucchini
It doesn't
at all.
have to really look pretty
No,
in there.
nope.
It just, you're basically gonna, well, you'll see at the end.
Yeah.
But
Yep, and we'll probably get about 3 layers here. So we're going to have some zucchini left over, which don't throw that zucchini away, obviously. Go ahead and cook those suckers down and make some zucchini chips. Put some more on there. You're good.
More on there?
Yeah. More. Yep.
Okay, spread it out.
And now we're going to go ahead and add cheese again with my cleaned hands. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and pour a little bit more enchilada sauce back on this again, and we're going to go ahead and do one more layer real quick. So once this is all done, we will show you what we got. Alright, so let's go ahead and finish this baby up. We're going to go ahead and put the rest of this cheese on here. Don't be afraid. I like cheese, so that's just the way it's going to be. I will like it. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and finish off with this rest of this. Grab a little bit more cheese, baby.
A little bit more cheese. Yeah.
And we're just going to put the rest of that enchilada sauce on top of that. Now, guys, seriously, if you want more sauce, go ahead and do it. You just want to be mindful. This is a total of 3 grams for one. Let's see, serving size, 1/4 cup. So throw some cheese on that baby, and let's get done here. Now, what we're going to do is go ahead and put this into. That's good. We're going to go ahead and put this into the oven,
Which we already have preheated.
We have preheated up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. and we're going to go ahead and let this bake. I am going to say, I can't quite remember how long we left it go, but I'm going to put it in for about 30 minutes.
I think about 30 minutes. I mean, everything in it is cooked already.
But we'll verify once we get this all done, and you'll know when it's done. And you want a nice little, obviously it's going to get a little bit crispy over the top, and we might put a little bit more extra cheese over top of it once it's almost done. So, we'll be back as soon as this comes out of there. Okay guys, guess what? It's done!
It's done!
Wait till you check this out.
I'm hungry.
Yes, this is cool. So Katie, I'll let you go ahead and grab that out. Please be careful. I'll close the door, so don't worry about it. Now, we did not add any extra cheese.
No, I think it's a good amount.
But it's fine. Now, I will tell you this, guys. Because of the zucchini in there and everything else with the enchilada sauce and all that, it will be a little bit runny. But I will tell you this. If you let it, I'm going to tell you what, tomorrow it's going to be really good.
Yeah, if you let it sit a little bit.
Yeah. So, but yeah, if you let it sit a little bit, it actually firms up a little bit. So,
but we're not going to do that because I'm hungry.
No, we're going to eat because she's hungry. So, all right, babe. So I am going to go ahead and get that cut real quick. I did not grab a knife, so let me grab one here. And
oh, you want to use one of these I have on my hand?
No, you were holding on to them.
I am.
You were like, you can't touch my little gripper thing. So like I said, it is going to be a little bit on the watery side right now, but it doesn't bother me at all. And I'm going to tell you what, this stuff is good.
It's good.
It's good.
Okay, I'll take off my little grippies.
So here, let me
Okay.
put that to the side.
Bring the plate over.
And let's just go this way.
And it
Sorry,
smells
I'm sorry.
so
I gotta step out of frame. Get over here.
good.
Come here.
I'm sorry, I'm talking.
Yeah. Okay.
There.
There you go. So now, we'll just let that go for now.
Now you dig in.
Yeah.
Smells like
Enchiladas.
enchiladas.
Obviously it's not, in a wrap and everything, and that's what you can actually do that. In fact, honestly, the recipe, we make it like this, but the recipe actually calls for thin slices of that zucchini, and you lay them on top of each other. You put the mixture in the inside and you roll it, and then you lay them down, put your enchilada sauce and cheese on top. That's actually how it's supposed to be made.
That's too much work.
This is the way we prefer to do it, like a lasagna. So, but it is, it's very hot right now.
It's very hot.
But this stuff, it is good. But anyways, guys, here we go.
It's really good.
Try to put this in the frame here.
It's fresh.
This is our enchilada.
Homemade.
Chicken enchiladas.
Good ingredients. Good for you ingredients. The only processed thing is the sauce.
So, hope you like it. Try it. Leave a comment down below. Tell us what you think about it. Chicken enchiladas. Lasagna style. All right, guys. Be blessed. Have a great day. Be safe out there. Remember,
like,
subscribe, and share.
Share.
And one more thing. Remember, Jesus loves you.
Yes, he does.
All right? Bye for
for
now.
now.
Time to eat, babe. Let's do this.